ton of bees underneath the top. So it's very alive. The question is, do I peek to see about their food? Oh, look at that. Let's see. It's underneath there. They're doing great. We're going to take a peek under the main here. Let's hope they're calm. Doesn't sound like it. There we go. Look at that. They're doing really well. So we're going to leave that alone. They don't need any food right now. And they're healthy. They don't need any help. And that's it. It's about 35 degrees. This doesn't bother them. We have warmer days. Today's going up to over 40. So I'm not really too concerned about letting too much heat out too quickly. They're going to be fine. I also didn't notice any moisture issues when I looked in there, which is a problem in the winter too. They look beautiful. So we'll take a look at this next one. I brought sugar along. This is for replacement. They did eat quite a bit. They should be fine. They should be fine. Probably around March is when I'm going to have to really check on that. I could do a weight check as well. I'm going to do that. See how their honey stores are. It's probably about 50 pounds of honey I would still say in there. So not bad. Not great, not bad. We'll keep an eye on it. So now, let's see how this one looks. Alright, not as good. Let's see. Not good at all. So this one died. Why, I'm not sure. It looks like they actually ate some of this food on the top. A lot of it. This is where they perished. But why they died up here, I don't know. It's something I'll have to check later. It's very sad. Losses this winter have been very high. There's been some reports, even people that usually have single-digit losses are in the 30%. Overall, it's been really bad. So we'll see. This one is very confusing because they had plenty of food in there. They were insulated. They had lots of bees, apparently. We still lost them. We'll do a weight check. It is very heavy. It's probably 60, 70 pounds of food. So I can't really say. Let's take a look at the next. All of these were treated for mites times throughout the season. Look at that. Just beautiful. Consumed quite a bit. Weight-wise, it's got a fair amount of weight. I might actually add a little bit of sugar to this one. Space off to the side here. I just don't want to disturb them too much. I don't want to activate too many bees. Oh. Here we go. We're going to add some sugar just to make sure. There we go. They look great. They have sugar up top. They're active. They look beautiful. I'm not sure if you saw them. They're good. Hands are freezing. Okay.